Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and the Moose is loose. What we're going to do right now is go over our DEGA ISPO rewards. So it's been at least 5 epochs, and I want to go over some of the numbers. And for those of you that have not understood how to check out your rewards, I'm going to show you in this video as well. So it's going to be a good little episode, get you guys updated with everything DEGA, and also to share with you some of the rewards. So a little bit of what you can expect. So also like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. It's going to help us out here on the channel, especially if you want to see more crypto and NFT content. So what we're going to do first is go to, well, I guess, Twitter or Twitter X. And under DEGA, you can see that there's a lot of information of what's been going on with the space. So right here, you've got the multi-chain ISPO. This is a good read, especially if you don't know very much about the current ISPO. And of course, we're talking about the Cardano ISPO. So what we're doing in this video is we're going over the rewards based on the delegation to the DEGA 1 pool. Okay, so that's what we're going to go through. And yeah, that's what the episode's all about. So if we look at my wallet, you can see that we are delegating to the DEGA 1 ISPO. All right, so I've got a video right here on the channel covering that. So if you go to the channel, type in DEGA and watch this video with the red thumbnail in the little airdrops there, that is going to teach you how to delegate to the ISPO, and a few other videos we do it. And yeah, it's very simple, but if you want to delegate, watch that video. Okay, so how do you check out your rewards? We've done it several other times on this channel. So what we're going to do is go to receive. Okay, so go to your wallet, click on your receive. Okay, so this address ends in 03, it looks like. Then we're going to go to Cardano scan, and we're going to paste our public address. Okay, and then here you can see the controlled stake key. So we're going to copy that. Okay, so what you want to do is get your stake key. This is what you are staking towards. It's your controlled stake key. So you've got different public addresses. This is what's going to allow you to see your rewards. So now we're going to go to dega.org. Okay, under ISPO, you're going to go to reward dashboard. Okay, so you're going to see all this information. We'll go through what this is. So right here is the live stake. So right now there's almost 26 million Cardano staked to the DEGA 1 stake pool. So every epoch, every 5 days, instead of earning ADA for you as a delegator, you're going to earn DEGA in the form of an airdrop, or it's going to be claimable in January or February of 2024. So right now, accumulated rewards is 17.2 million DEGA. Okay, so this is a way for DEGA to earn Cardano and basically raise funds for their projects, really. So what we're going to do is go here at the bottom where it says enter address. You are not going to put your public address here. You're going to put in your controlled stake key. So here I'm going to add address. All right. So if we go here, you can see that I've got 11,878 ADA as my live stake right now. That's very true. And I've earned 9,747 rewards. So I also have that 5% bonus going on. I do have some copy and meld in here. So I believe the numbers are as following. I believe it is 3,500 meld or 1,600 copy. If you have that in your wallet because of their partnership, you're going to earn a 5% bonus as well. So I don't know if that's already calculated in or not. Do not quote me. I don't have all the information. I'm not CEO of DEGA, but I do recommend going through their website, and we'll even go through a quick link for you as well. So on their website, if you go to DEGA ISPO Cardano, I believe it's somewhere here. Let's take a look. For more information, DEGA token. It's one of these articles. So anyways, check out on the channel. I've got videos where I go over everything ISPO related. So if you do want more info, perhaps check out, not this one. Amazing rewards, this one. This would be a good episode. DEGA overview. Get the 5% bonus. So if you want to learn more, we just have more videos here on the channel. Okay. But that's how you can check out your current rewards. If you do not see your rewards so far, you probably just have to wait. So it's going to take 10 days to 15 days to begin to see some of your rewards. So if you're wanting to get in now, it's probably too late now to get the 40 epoch bonus, because this is a total of 42 epochs. So you got 42 rewards. So there's a lot of opportunity still. But if you want to get that bonus rewards, I believe that ended for the duration period, right? So it's been going on for quite a while. So I also have another wallet, and that is this one right here. So this is I believe this is my ledger. So here again, I am delegating to the DEGA stake pool. And again, it's the DEGA 1. So if we click here, it will take you to the website. Make sure you are under DEGA 1. Very vital. Okay, so if I go to my ledger now, I'm going to copy this. This ends in 2M. So you can do multiple wallets, right? And we're going to paste this. Search and controlled stake. So here we're going to copy that. And we're going to go to rewards dashboard. We've got tons of links already open. So now we can stack and see our other wallet rewards. So right here, I've got 2,312. So with these two wallets together, that's roughly 1,000. So let's say this is 3,000. So what do we add here? Yeah, 12,000 DEGA. So that's not bad. I've got other wallets as well, but I just kind of wanted to go over the main wallets here. We do have another one we can add. This wallet I just started adding. So for example as well, what I do recommend for you guys, if you only have a couple hundred ADA, but you know that perhaps you're going to get a paycheck later, or you're going to be adding Cardano to a wallet, you could do what I'm doing with this particular wallet. So with this one, I started with like 20 ADA, and I've just been adding every month. So I started, and I think I've been delegating for a couple epochs now, so we may see some rewards. Again, I started with less than 50 ADA. I've now got 1,200 ADA. So let's see the rewards. So again, what's really cool about the Cardano blockchain is that every epoch, it will check out it will give you a live stake depending on how many ADA you have in your wallet. So for example, if you got 500 ADA and you're delegating, or you're staking to the DEGA 1 stake pool, you sign that transaction. Well, if you spend some of your ADA, it's fine. You can do that. You can use your wallet as is. Just understand that at the time of, I believe it's the live stake screenshot that they do, whatever it is. Don't quote me on this. But basically every epoch, it's going to look at your wallet and be like, okay, he's got 1,000 ADA. Here are his rewards based on 1,000 ADA. If you spend 20, add 50, it doesn't matter. But what I recommend is to continue to add to your position. So to give you an example, let's imagine you have a wallet, you started with 50, now you built it up to 1,200. What we're gonna do is go to Cardano scan, paste it, and comment down below. I'd like to know how many DEGA tokens you guys are earning. We're gonna copy that, go back to the dashboard, and here's another wallet. I've got 7 wallets I think I'm staking now, so the moose is getting loose, that's for sure. So here we go, I got 32 rewards. Now I've added to this, so next time I assume I'm gonna earn much more. So that's what I recommend. And as a guide, if you got in from the first epoch and you're going to continue to delegate until January of 2024, you will earn roughly 3 tokens per ADA. So if you stake 1,000 ADA, you're going to get roughly 3,000 DEGA. If you just delegate and keep that approximate amount. That's what you'll get roughly. So again, guys, that's really all we have for you on this video. It looks like I'm earning about 12,000 so far. I do have other wallets. I think I'm about 12,500 DEGA total. My parents also have a wallet, which is really cool. So I'm just managing their funds for them. Again, guys, nothing is financial advice. It's all educational. But DEGA, I'm super bullish. I have other videos explaining what it is. Ultimately, they're helping out with the user friendliness when it comes to video and metaverse projects. So really any crypto project, they build the infrastructure, the UI, to make it easier for people. So instead of having to learn to create your own wallet, have everything in cold storage, what they're doing is they're making it where it's like, a username, password, and now you have access to your crypto in your wallet. So that's what they're doing, really. So there's a lot to it. Check it out. If you guys want to check it out, I've got a link for you. This is a link to our free Cardano mini course. You learn wallet setup, sending, receiving, staking, all for free. You just got to put in your email. You also get downloadable links. So you get a downloadable link and it gives you the workbook and also all course files so you can, learn about Cardano. It's an hour-long course. It's free. And yeah, guys, I think you guys will really like that. I'm really excited. So that's about it, guys. If you guys want to pick up a Trezor, I got a link down in the description as well. Check out the channel, subscribe. We got to blow this up. So the moose is loose. Cheers, everybody.